everyone. My name is Jennifer Toe. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my partner and sponsor. Without you, I wouldn't be here today. Without Atomy, I wouldn't be here today also. Before Atomy, I didn't think that I could be success in life. I came to Canada when I was 15 from a very small town in Vietnam. Starting a new life in a new country is hard. Without the English, it is harder. One day, I asked my parents, why do I have to be here? And my mom told me, because of your better future. At that time, I didn't see her vision. I was wondering, how can I have a better life when people don't understand me and I don't understand people? More and more challenged through life, I start to forget my dreams. All I want to be is just surviving. And we all hear that. Don't give a man a fish. Teach him how to fish. But for me, it wasn't enough. If the man don't have the vision, why should be he fishing? Right? But luckily, I met Atomy. Through Atomy, I have my vision. Through Atomy, I see so many ordinary people's success. And I can be success too. Because Atomy is a proven success system for every one of us. I'm standing here today as a Young Leader Club member, but this is just the beginning. You will see me more, and more until Imperial. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Toronto. Nice to meet you all. I'm very honored today standing right here to present Young Leaders Club member. So when I met Atomy, guess what? I was 20s, late 20s. So for me, it was really a happy journey, but sometimes I had difficult situation. First of all, you know, when you're late 20, the people around me, they're still same as me. So whenever I talking about hemoim, they're like, what? What are you talking about? Because they don't even take care their stuff, right? They don't even take omega-3 or they don't take even vitamin C. So whenever I talking about absolute skincare set, they're like, I don't have a wrinkle? What are you talking about, Sue? So like, okay, let me move on. So I'm talking about toothbrush, toothpaste. Their answer was, Sue, I'm living with my parents. Sorry, can I just buy one toothpaste? That was my first Atomy start. And I didn't have a car. I didn't have a lot of people around me. But I have one thing very special. I have a 1-year-old baby. So as you know, what is Atomy? We go out, talk to the people, going a center, going a meeting, right? No car, have a baby. She's always cry. To me, every single moment was challenge. But I didn't stop because I knew it. Someday I'm gonna have lots of happy consumer, and someday I'm gonna have a lot of partner. So I didn't stop. I just try to find a way to talk Atomy, share Atomy to people. And then here it is. Now I have a lot of partner and a lot of happy consumer over the sea. In Korea, and then here. Some people are more talented than me. Some people, they speak couple language, they're smart, and they have a lot of people than me. See, that's the Atomy. So today, I want to encourage every you guys. Atomy gonna work no matter what. Doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter what kind of situation are you in. It's gonna work. Don't give up. Find a way to talk to Atomy, to the people. Then you will be here. I will promise you guys today, next year, I'll be right here, getting another pin. Let's success together. Aja, aja, aja.